Hi, my name is Paulami and thank you so much for watching this video. Today, as promised, I will be showing you another very easy summer dish. Well, it's something that you can definitely do without spending a number of hours in the kitchen, but at the end of the day, you do get something Indianish, but at the same time, enjoy while you're sitting outside in your backyard. We will be making, as the recipe title suggests, a Paneer Tikka Tart. So we'll be using puff pastry, as you can see here, and we will be combining the paneer along with bell pepper, onions, spices, and making a really nice marinade, and then adding it on the tart and baking it. So let's get started with the recipe. So to start with the recipe, what I have done to just progress ahead, I have taken 3 different colored bell peppers and I have cut them into cubes or blocks like these, and some onion. You can use white or red onion as well. And time to now cut the paneer into cubes and the pepper and then mix it all together. So to begin with the marinade, what we will do is grab some yogurt. That's 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then we definitely need some tikka masala or tandoori masala. So I have here the homemade spice mix that I make, and I have added around 2 tablespoons of the tikka masala. Along with that, I will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. To all of this, we add 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we add some salt. Now adding these other spices that I've added, that is the turmeric powder, red chili powder, is all optional. You can actually just do this dish with only the tikka masala, the tandoori masala as well. So it just takes it to another depth of flavor, and that's why I thought of adding more spices. The marinade has mixed really well with the paneer and the cubes of paprika and onion. Remember to be gentle when you're mixing it, because if the paneer is very fresh, it can break into a crumble if you are too hard with it. But if you're vegan, you can of course replace it with hard tofu and the yogurt with some coconut yogurt or almond yogurt, and it tastes amazing. Now I have these cubes, I have these slices and not the whole sheet. So here, let's just sprinkle some loose flour. So what we would do is just make a serration like this on the edge, so that it's easier for us to fill this with the paneer tikka mixture. And with a fork, you would just make such kind of holes so that this pastry doesn't rise up and puff up too much. So this is going to go into the oven for 10 minutes at 220 degrees centigrade, and then we will take it out and then fill it up with the paneer mixture. Puff pastry is out of the oven. At the end of the 7th minute, I saw that it started puffing up, so I decided to take it out. So you can make this as big and as small you wish to. And what we need to do is to add some egg wash on the edges so that this crisps up really well. So there you go. This goes back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. We will have a look at it at the end of 15th minute, and if we see it needs some more time, then we take it out at the end of 20th minute. The Paneer Tikka Tart is ready, and what we do now is just top it up with some spicy mint chutney, which is super easy to make. So let's serve a piece of this. I am super impressed as to how it smells, and I will just take a bite of this thing. I think there's a beautiful balance to the flavors. It's not super spicy, but if you like it spicier, as I said, just adjust the spice levels in the green chutney. But hey, this is a perfect snack to share with your friends over a weekend. So I hope you give this a try in the coming weekend, and if you do let me know in your in the comment sections of this video, or tag me in your Instagram post or stories at SpiceTripWithPaulami. And do not forget to like this video, share this video with friends so that there are many more people who are trying Paneer Tikka Tart in the coming few days. And subscribe to my channel so that I continue spreading the love of my food to every one of you. Till I see you all again with another video really soon. Take care and bye.